The 56-inch Florentine IV is an industrial-style ceiling fan with a modern 3-blade design. The fan is wet rated for indoor or outdoor use and is wall control operated. The 56-inch blade span is perfectly suited for large spaces that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist off the bottom canopy cover. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Place the coupling cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and align it over the holes. Insert and tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the box and place the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab on the bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use wire nuts to combine the ground wires from the down rod, hanger bracket, and ceiling box together. Combine the neutral wire from the box with the white wire from the fan. Combine the hot wire from the box with the black wire from the fan. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, then tuck neatly into the box. Align and twist the canopy over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Align and twist the canopy cover over the screws. The motor is properly mounted and the fan blades can now be installed. Prepare a fan blade and a blade arm. Align the arm with the blade holes, then insert a blade attachment screw through the arm. Secure it in place with a rubber washer, metal washer, and nut. Repeat for the remaining screws. Repeat the entire process for the remaining blades. On the fan motor, use the included Allen wrench to remove the blade arm attachment screws. Bring a blade assembly up to the motor and align it with the holes underneath. Insert and tighten 3 of the removed blade arm attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. The fan is fully assembled and the wall control can now be installed. Bring the wall control to the wall switch outlet box. Use a wire nut to combine the hot wire that goes to the fan ceiling box with the black wire from the wall control labeled to fan. Combine the home AC power wire from the outlet box with the black wire from the wall control labeled to power supply. Combine the wire labeled ground from the wall control with the ground wire from the wall box. The wall switch and the fan must be on the same circuit for the wall control to function. Wrap electrical tape around the connections, then tuck into the box. Secure the wall control with the 2 wall control screws. Align the wall plate over the wall control and secure it in place with the 2 wall plate screws. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed slider allows you to set the fan speed. The fan can be set to off, high speed, medium high speed, medium speed, and low. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.